Good morning, everybody. I welcome every one of you in your literature class. In literature class, we have already learnt about the lesson 7, the story of Matilda. Now, today we are going to start with our exercises of the same lesson. So, this is chapter number 7, which we are going to do the exercises of. Matilda can do magic and exercise. We are going to begin. So, you have to turn your page number 72 for the exercises. Children, when I am going to explain you the exercises, even I am going to write the answers for you or I am going to dictate the answers for you. So, you have to be ready with your pencil in your hand. Here in grammar and usage in this part, you have been explained about coordinating conjunction and compound sentences. Two things are there, okay? Firstly, we will talk about compound sentences. Compound sentences, you can say, combination of two sentences. When we have two sentences and referring to the same person, or you can say our subject is same, then we can definitely merge those two sentences into one, and then it can be said as compound sentence. But for merging them or for joining those two sentences, we need certain word, and that word is known as coordinating conjunction. Okay, here it is written in the book. I am going to read it for you. We have learned that we use words such as, what are the words? And, but, yet, or, so, to join words. Okay, these are your words which we use to join two sentences. And you can even say that they join words, or you can say they join our phrases or the sentences. They are known as coordinating conjunctions because they join two coordinates or two ideas that are equally important. I have told you the two sentences which are equally important definitely, and the subject is same. So we can add, instead of repeating the same subject again and again, if we will merge them, that will look small also, and it will be easy for you to write even. So we are going to see the examples which are given in the book. The first example given in the book is Miss Honey was sitting at her table. Second one is Miss Honey was going through some papers. Now, these two sentences are indicating that we are talking about Miss Honey. Definitely our subject is same and our idea is also same. While she is sitting, when she is sitting at her table, what is she doing sitting there? She is going through some papers. So we can connect these two sentences. How? By using some connecting word, by using some conjunction. Miss Honey was sitting at her table. We have removed full stop from there, and instead of that we have used and. She was sitting there at her table, and what else she was doing there? And we have used the word to connect it, going through some papers. Now you can see we have omitted the words Miss Honey was. Instead of repeating the same thing which we have already said in the starting of the sentence, we can avoid speaking or using those same words, and we have used only the word and we have connected both the sentences. So what it says, that sentence 3 is formed by combining the clauses in 1 and 2. We call this as compound sentence. Since the two clauses have the same subject, I have told you same subject, we are talking about Miss Honey in both the sentences, the subject of the second clause has been omitted. Now in the exercise, you have to underline the two clauses. Two clauses, I am sure that you know about clauses. We have learned in our grammar about phrases and clauses. In the clauses, we will have subject and verb also we will find. Then, here what we have to do, underline the two clauses in each of these compound sentences and circle the words that joins them. It means the coordinating conjunctions you have to join, you have to circle, and both the clauses you have to underline. So I am only going to tell you what you have to circle, and rest of the statement I will be dictating you what you have to underline. It is about exercise A. First one is done for you. Second one we will start with. Kanak went into the kitchen. You are going to underline this. You will underline Kanak went into the kitchen. This is clause 1. And with what word it is connected? And. You will circle and as coordinating conjunction. Then after and we have second clause, that is came out with a plate full of samosas. Now you would be thinking that there is no subject, but you can see that it is an idea which is referring to the same person, that is Kanak, that she went into the room and Kanak only came out from the kitchen with the plate full of samosas. So that is why we will underline both the part. Now come to the third one. You could buy tickets at the museum. You will underline that. And what you are going to circle is or. You will be circling or, and you will be underlining you could buy tickets at the museum. First clause. Second clause in the sentence is try online. Means talking, of course the idea is same, buying the ticket only. So we have to underline the second part also, try online. This is your second clause. Fourth one, you will underline the painting is rich. So underline the painting is rich, and what you will circle? You will circle the word and. The painting is rich will be underlined by you, and you will circle, and the second clause will be has a lovely mix of colors. This too you are going to underline. Fifth one, I could solve the puzzle. Underline it. I could solve the puzzle. You have to underline it. And then Y-E-T, yet. This is fifth one. You have to circle it as coordinating conjunction. After the word yet, we have I couldn't stop trying. This also you have to underline as the second clause. Sixth one also is there. We will see. You will be underlining the film was too long. This you have to underline. Then what are we going to circle, children? Definitely but as a coordinating conjunction, and our second clause will be the words which are written after but, means we stayed till the end. This is your second clause. You will be underlining this part also. So this is what we have learnt about exercise A. When I am talking about exercise B, you can see there what you have to do. You have to match it. Join these parts to write meaningful compound sentence. Compound sentence means combination of sentences, and when you are combining a sentence or making compound sentence, you definitely need a conjunction, and you can see that we have three parts here. Isn't it? We have three parts. If you will see carefully, you will find that we have three parts here. I am just giving you. You may even write for the first part, you can write A. For the second part, you can write B. And for the third part, you can write C. So that you can understand nicely when I am telling you. In the A, the first one is Sujata was getting impatient. Now you have to find in the B part what you can use from that. So do you know what you can use for that? You will have the word for. The first answer is for. Sujata was getting impatient for, and for what? When you will see this side, A is the answer. Means first one, here you will see the word for. We will match with for, and then you will match it with A number in the C side. Then we will talk about second one. To complete their project on time, Giri did all the research. This is second one. Alright, second one. Now what you are going to match it with in the B part? We are going to match with and. The second answer is and. And this side we are going to match with B. This is your combination. Second one will be matched with the and word in the second B block. This is my B block. And in the C block, you are going to match it with B. And B was, Umesh took care of the presentation. Third one, she might decide to go to medical college. This is our third one. And we are going to match it with the word or. Then here, what are we going to match it with? C. We are going to match it with C. Choose to make a career of her deep interest in sculpture. Fourth one. The rain has stopped play for the day. Anyway, after this we will see which will be the suitable answer from the B portion, and I have the answer for you, that is so. Fourth answer will be so, and this side you have D to match with. Then the fifth one is she does become car sick quite often. And the answer from here is but. B-U-T. But. And here it is matched with E. Then of course, now you know the last answer. Definitely we reached the restaurant early. And the answer is yet. And this F. I'm sure this is easy for you to match. First one will be matched with the word for in the B part, and then after that with A. Then you will connect second one with the word and then to B. Then third one we will connect with or and then to C. Fourth one we will connect with so and then to D. Fifth one with the word but and then to E. Sixth one with the word yet and then to F. This is what about A and B exercise of this lesson. The remaining exercise of this lesson we are going to do in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.